Every day, billions of things wait their turn. Print jobs, network packets, customer requests. Behind every orderly line, there is one quiet idea. This is the queue, the fairest data structure ever invented. Picture a line at a coffee shop. The first person to arrive is the first person served. New arrivals join the back. The front gets called next. This is the entire philosophy of a queue. First in, first out. FIFO. Two operations, two ends, one promise, fairness in order. Formally, a queue is an abstract data type with four operations. NQ, which adds an element to the back. DQ, which removes from the front. Peak, which inspects the front without removing. And is empty, which tells you if the queue is exhausted. Each operation should run in constant time. And there is one invariant. The order in which elements arrive is the order in which they leave. The simplest implementation is just an array. NQ pushes to the end, constant time. But DQ must remove the first element, and when you remove from the front of an array, every other element shifts down by one. For a queue with 1,000,000 items, there is 1,000,000 operations for a single DQ. We can do far better. Instead of shifting elements, we keep them still and move the pointers. We allocate a fixed array and track two indices, head, the front, and tail, the back. NQ writes at tail, then advances it. DQ reads from head, then advances it. When a pointer reaches the end, it wraps around to the beginning. The array, conceptually, becomes a circle. Both operations are now O of 1, true constant time. Here it is in 20 lines. A buffer, two indices, modular arithmetic. The modulo is the magic. It folds a straight line into a ring. Elegant. But notice, the capacity is fixed. What if we don't know how many items we'll get? Then we abandon the array entirely. We build the queue from linked nodes. Each node holds a value and a pointer to the next. We keep two external references, head and tail. NQ allocates a new node and links it to the tail. DQ advances the head forward. No fixed capacity. Still O of 1. The cost is memory. Every value now carries a pointer beside it. Now meet the queue's more flexible cousin, the DQ, short for double-ended queue. A DQ allows insertion and removal at both ends. 4 operations instead of 2. Push front, push back, pop front, pop back. It generalizes both the queue and the stack into one symmetric structure. But what if fairness isn't what you want? What if some items matter more? Enter the priority queue. Instead of first in, first out, the highest priority item always leaves first, implemented with a binary heap, a tree where every parent dominates its children. Insertions bubble up, removals sift down, both in logarithmic time. It is the engine behind Dijkstra's shortest paths, Huffman coding, and every operating system scheduler you have ever used. One more variant worth knowing, the blocking queue, the workhorse of concurrent programming. When a thread tries to DQ from an empty queue, it sleeps until another thread in queue is. When the queue is full, producers wait. It is the heartbeat of every producer-consumer pipeline. Once you see queues, you see them everywhere. Breadth-first search, the fundamental graph traversal, is a queue in disguise. Operating systems schedule processes through queues. Printers, message brokers like Kafka, rate limiters, web servers, even the event loop in your browser, all queues. Wherever order matters and resources are shared, a queue is underneath. Watch closely. Breadth-first search from a starting node. We enqueue the start. While the queue is not empty, we dequeue a node, visit it, and enqueue all its unvisited neighbors. The queue holds the frontier, the next ring of exploration. That is why BFS finds shortest paths in unweighted graphs. The FIFO order guarantees we explore by distance. Here is the entire family side by side. The naive array, O of 1 NQ, O of n DQ. The circular buffer, O of 1 everywhere, fixed space. The linked list, O of 1 everywhere, dynamic space. The DQ, O of 1 on both ends. The priority queue, O of log n, trading speed for ordering power. Pick the right one, and your program becomes elegant. The queue is a small idea, 2 ends, 1 rule. But it is the quiet rhythm beneath the digital world. The structure that makes fairness possible at scale. Master it, and you will see it everywhere.